Hey everyone, welcome to our video on the festival of Vaisakhi.
Hi Aditya.
And I, Kushri, are really excited to share this video today.
I bet that many of you have heard about Baisakhi. So what Baisakhi is all about?
That's a great question. Let's dive into it. What is the primary significance of the Vaisakhi festival?
But particularly Baisakhi has many significances. Like for Sikhs, it marks the formation of Khalsa by Guru Gobind Singh in 1699. For many in North India, particularly in Punjab, it marks the harvest festival, ripening of the Rabi crop and the beginning of a new agricultural season. And on what date Baisakhi is typically celebrated?
Typically, it is celebrated on 13th or 14th of April every year. The date is based on the solar calendar. Which state is most prominently associated with Vaisakhi festival?
Of course, Punjab is the Indian state most prominently associated with the Baisakhi festival as it holds immense religious and agricultural significance here. And what is the primary significance for celebrating Baisakhi?
On Baisakhi in 1699, the 10th Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, established Khalsa at Anandpur Sahib. He administrated the Amrit, the holy nectar, to the first 5 Sikhs, also known as Panch Pyare, thus formalizing the Sikh principles and identities. What are Amrit ceremonies and why they are associated during Baisakhi?
Basically, Amrit ceremony are the initiation ceremony for Sikhs. On Baisakhi in 1699, when Guru Gobind Singh Ji initiated first 5 Sikhs into Khalsa by administrating Amrit to them. This tradition continues on Baisakhi, with many Sikhs choosing this auspicious day to be initiated. And what does Baisakhi symbolize as a harvest festival?
As a harvest festival, it symbolizes the end of the Rabi crop, the winter season. Farmers celebrate their hard work and praise for their future prosperity. What are some traditional activities during Baisakhi festival?
Some traditional activities include folk dances like Bhangra and Gidda, singing of folk songs, attending fairs and melas, and offering prayers at gurudwaras for a better harvest next year. But how do Sikhs typically celebrate Baisakhi?
Typically, they celebrate Baisakhi by visiting gurdwaras, attending Nagar Kirtans, participating in Amrit ceremonies. What are Nagar Kirtans and why they are significant during Baisakhi?
Nagar Kirtans are religious processions led by Panch Pyare and followed by Guru Granth Sahib on a decorated float. It includes singing of hymns, playing of musical instruments, and recitation of prayers. During Baisakhi, Nagar Kirtans are important as they commemorate the formation of Khalsa and spread the message of Sikhism throughout the community. And which food is typically served during Baisakhi celebrations?
While there isn't any specific dish for Baisakhi, but festive meals are prepared and shared. In langars, vegetarian and simple meals are shared to everyone. How does Baisakhi reflect the culture of Punjab?
Baisakhi is deeply intertwined with the rich and vibrant culture of Punjab, like folk dances like Bhangra and Gidda, singing of melodious folk songs, the colorful attire, and the spirit of sharing. This all reflects the rich heritage culture of Punjab. Last but not the least, does Baisakhi have its significance beyond Punjab in India?
Yes, Baisakhi is also celebrated in other parts of India, but it is known by their different names and unique customs. For example, it is known as Poila Boishakh in West Bengal, Bihu in Assam, and Vishu in Kerala. Baisakhi, with its rich tapestry of agricultural, religious, and historical significances, offers powerful moral lessons like equality, courage, faith, devotion, etc.
At last, thank you and happy Baisakhi to all.